going on, everybody? It's your favorite Super Saiyan here. Gonna do the bird today. We're gonna get on this bird today, right? This is the team I like to use. There's a lot of different variations for this team, but this is the one I find to be most consistent. I clear all 3 floors with this team. This is the card set that I use. I use a single target card set. And I add a little extra HP for it at the end. As I said, this team it's pretty simple. He likes to consistently attack Arthur. So Arthur pretty much takes all the damage. But as long as you have the healing cards from Magelda, you should be fine. I got 6/6 Magelda, 4/6 T Melly, 4/6 Escanor, and 6/6 Arthur. Yeah, pretty much. Let's just jump right on into the shower. Lord, it's a warm day outside today, guys. Oh, look at the bird. I'm kind of hungry, too. Yeah. I want some chicken wings. Who are you screaming at, bro? What did I do to you? I did nothing to you. Alright. So my strat, my strat is pretty simple. I start off with the buff, single, and then I like to do this is for boom. And we. So I try to anything out there. Because I want the single targets, guys. That's what I like to focus on. And again, that's just to help build up Melly's passive. Get that AoE out there, and then get that other AoE. Let's see if we can get some more single targets. And again, in case we don't get the buff, we do have, the single targets. We have Melly's passive building, which is fine. You do not have to heal every single time. I just do it, keep the buffs going. He's not going to do so much damage to us. We already got 3 stacks of that resistance buff on. As I said, he tends to attack Arthur a lot. I mean, I'm fine with it. My Arthur's not going to die. So we're going to do this. Got that ready. Get rid of that. And yeah, we can go ahead and toss that. Because, again, I kind of want that healing card. It's just as I said, even if you don't get it, you can still do this. You got to keep those single targets going. The passives cannot matter as long as you got the single targets. Alright, so we're going to heal next turn because he's pretty much dead. So this is what we're going to do. 1, 2, that, and just, yeah, I don't know why. Let's just move that over. I got a pretty good feeling he's going to be out. Damage taken decrease. Yeah, let's say this is pretty simple, guys. It's not too much. It's not super hard. I mean, that's fine. Well, again, we have the healing cards right there. He can cancel that buff as long as he doesn't go for pretty much one of these two, because these are the main damage here. Yeah, Arthur's his passive is pretty good. And he's pretty much good for just taking the damage. Especially since we don't want to take the damage. And we just kind of do that. AoE, he's pretty much out of here. Phase 3 is done. And Phase 4, I think we can one-shot Phase 4. If I'm not mistaken. We should be able to. Yeah, that damage cap is something else. Yep, so we got the power strength, we got this, we got that, and then we have this. This might be it, honestly. 93. Cool. Yeah, Pretty much. Floor 1 is kind of a breeze. I said it doesn't take too much time. And again, he's going to keep attacking Arthur, which is fine, because we're doing single targets, and we have that Melly's passive is stacking, so we are good. We are good. We're not worried about too much. And it's just what's this? Stack like that. Yeah, he's pretty much dead. Yeah, as I said, pretty simple. Not too much, very quick. Floor 1 is done. Yeah. And now we can move on to floor 2. Barely any damage has been taken. Barely any health has been lost. And we are still rolling. I oddly wish I knew the CC this bird has. But this point, it kind of doesn't matter because we have units to where it's not much to actually get them. So we're gonna same thing as last time. Start off that, and we want we got to start building at least passive. So we got 2 single targets out, 1 AOE. Pierce is great for this phase. 14. I'm actually surprised Arthur was doing damage there. Yeah, so if I remember correctly, you have to one-shot phase 2, which is fine because we're gonna save these. We're gonna save these. We're definitely gonna save these. In the meantime, we can definitely go off with what we have now. I mean, yeah, the bleed's not too much. That's not too bad, honestly. Make sure we get as many single targets as we can for phase 2. Oh. Slice and dice. Oh. Oh yeah, this is actually exactly what we wanted. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's just let it rock and roll. Oh yeah, that's good. That's great. And we're still building Melly's passive on top of that. We only needed 3. Oh yeah. Let's just go ahead and get rid of this wall. Alright. Let's not do that. Let's do this. Oh, yeah, so, and again, we're building up Melly's old passive, yeah. Melly's passive is getting built. That's fine. Phase 3 is out. And we haven't really gotten a single heal card yet, which is it's kind of crazy how we have not gotten that yet. Go, go, go. And yeah, as I said, we're gonna keep these single targets going, folks. God, that looked like it hurt, buddy. Yeah, this is an easy strat, guys. That's totally fine, man. You can attack him all you want. He ain't bothering nobody. He ain't bothering nobody. We're guaranteed to get a heal card for the next 4 anyway. So yeah, we're not too worried, guys. Alright, 1, 2. Power strike, and we're gonna try to get a little bit of health on him before we walk in there. We're not gonna walk in there naked like this, guys. Yeah, life's still on the crap. Yeah, floor 2, breezed. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know. Move right on into this. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, so now we're at the floor. Even if Arthur dies, we would not have nothing to worry about. And that's only because, as you guys can see, we can pull it off. It literally just needs to. We can. So Arthur is mainly there to take the attention off of everybody else. And here comes the healing card. Bingo, that's what we wanted. There you go. And yeah, let's go ahead and get that other single target in there. Start building that passive up again, guys. Oh yeah. That's fine. Ooh. Alright, y'all gonna have to give me a healing card though. Eventually. Y'all can't give me no healing card. Ooh, blockade! You sneaky one! Alright, let's just tap you out though. There you go. And yeah, let's go ahead and do that because we're gonna use the one else figure. And he's gonna attack Arthur, so again we're not too worried. What's up with the Magelda cards, yo? He's that Magelda card. So let me go. That's fine. He can die. Again, we're not too worried. But definitely like those cards though. And now we got it going. Oh. I got that. Lovely. Let's get that in there. Now we have no results again. Yeah, Arthur is pretty much the same. Honestly. Right in. We're gonna get that single target in. We're gonna do that. Just to be able to save first guys. Ah, we didn't need it. Yes, I figured. Oh, phase 3. Ooh. Yeah, that single target. That single target. Where's the buffs? Not buffs. Where's the healing card at? It's a shame we ain't gotten one. I mean, it's fine. We still have these two powerhouses, but we're gonna want one of those. Thank you! Finally got one. I haven't seen one of those since the beginning. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. And yeah, this is where he starts doing that. Which is fine. Because we have this. Yeah, you're not about to block me off. Yeah, we're pretty much back at full health. Technically, we have 3 turns to beat phase 3. Ooh, almost. Alright, he's gonna attack twice. Totally fine. And we have the alternate, so we're not worried about that reason. Yeah, we wasn't worried. Totally fine. Alright, so now we got a card that we can burn that off. Gonna get rid of that. Hit that power screen. You probably wondering why I didn't go for Eskimo Bolt. That's because I actually want to see if I can get it. Need to get rid of that pure spark from melee. Oh, I love that passive. Looky. There we go. Now they're showing the love, guys. Yeah, they're showing the love now. Yeah, I said we're still not worried at all. Yeah, that's why we ain't worried. We doing damage like that, boy. Fine, as long as he doesn't take cards. Oh yeah, he doesn't. Yeah, that was only that one phase he did that. God, I hated that phase when I first started. I was like, what? Why's he doing that? Alright, y'all. You gotta start giving them the business now. You really gotta start giving them the business. Should be gone. As I said, it was fine to lose Arthur. We're at phase 4 now. That was 4 that we were at. You know, Arthur wasn't that much of a source. He kind of got through what we did. Alright. I see you got that on. That ain't crazy. And we're gonna build that passive up. Come on. It's fine. Yes, it was successful. We have to really go. I'm not worried about it. If they do, it's fine. He's right here. Last 4, last phase. We got 3 strong characters, so we're pretty good health. Pretty easy team, pretty easy strat to do. That's that. I'm not going to worry about it at all. You know what, Bird? Don't make me deep fry you. I will do that. You know what? Yeah. Now I'm about to deep fry you. You shouldn't have done that. I was going to take it easy on you at first, but, you know, nah, not anymore. Yes, yeah. Yeah. Give me some fried chicken! Oh, there we go. All floors cleared. Pretty easy team. Weak strat. Not too much of a hassle.